Upgrade your small business CRM. Grow your revenue. Create more fans. Work fewer hours. Try free. See demo. 14-day free trial. No credit card required. Automated email is just the beginning. With Keap, you get the all-in-one sales and marketing automation platform designed to help your small business grow. CRM for small business. Collect new leads with minimal effort. Simple. Consistent. Repeatable. Keap collects new leads, organizes customer records, and triggers the next actions to seamlessly move people through the sales process. Learn more. Small business automation. Stay focused on what you're good at. Keap's personalized automations save you from distracting busy work, while still sounding and converting exactly like you. Learn more. Email and text marketing. Send messages your audience wants to read. Write emails and texts using Keap's curated templates, send them to segmented lists in your CRM, and watch the results roll in. Learn more. Business line. Business stays business, personal stays personal. Keap Business Line gives you access to work calls and texts on your smartphone, while keeping your personal conversations separate. Learn more. Plus $468. Keap customers who use automation. Data from self-reported results from customer surveys. Results may vary and similar performance is not guaranteed. Expert help every step of the way. With Keap's one-on-one coaching and strategic guidance, 24/7 support, and seamless migration services, you'll have everything you need to be successful. Learn more. Build your small business when you help others grow. Keap's partner program allows you to earn up to 30% commission on app sales for as long as your clients stay with Keap. Partner program. Put 200,000 plus entrepreneurs on your team. Keap Academy. Learn the best ways to grow your small business through sales and marketing automation with courses and live events taught by small business experts. Keap User Community. When you join the Keap User Community, you put the knowledge and experience of other small business leaders to work for you. Content Library. Raise your entrepreneurial game, and your sales, with blogs, podcasts and more from our ever-growing content library.